guys, Alina is here. Welcome back to my channel. So excited for you to be watching my videos, and if you're brand new to my channel, hi, welcome. My name is Alina. Hope you are going to stick around. So today I want to show you something exciting and do a little unboxing slash demo slash first impression video. So I just got this set from NuMe, and this is called the NuMe OCTOWAND curling wand. So let me just unbox this for you. This is going to be the first time I'm opening this box, so that's exciting. Well, first of all, I want to say that when I got this little box and when they said, you know, they're sending me the OCTOWAND, I imagined this ginormous box, like with, you know, 8 different adjustments to it. And when I received this, I was like, well, this is phenomenal considering there's just so much inside this little case. So let's just open it up and see what's inside. This all like fits in this little case very nicely. I'm impressed. So this is the heat protectant glove. Obviously you need to protect your fingers from the heat because these wands tend to heat up pretty high. And here we go. These are all the different wands, all the different attachments. Let me just show you them super quickly. So this is the main base, and here come all the different ones that you have. So there's this one for quite tight curls, but not too tight. So let me see how you just clip it in. Right. So now it's locked in. That was pretty easy actually, considering I'm like not tech savvy at all. This is super simple. Another one that is a little bit of a thicker barrel for a little bit looser curls. Then this is, I think, is like a 32 barrel that is like for really loose waves. Then we have kind of like a cone. So basically you'll have looser waves at the top and then tighter ringlets at the bottom. I like that one. So this one is interesting. This is almost like a inverted cone type of barrel. So you're going to have tighter curls on the top and then looser on the bottom. This one, actually, I have been dying to try this look with like super tight ringlets. And there's just a cone one, the same type of cone one, but like for tighter curls. And then there's this interesting one. It's like a pearl one, or I don't know what you call it, but this is just going to give you the curls that are shaped, like have different shapes. So basically some are going to be tighter, some are going to be looser. So I'm going to have to play with that one too. So with no further ado, let's just pick a wand and try them out. So today I'm going to try this cone one, and it's going to give me more volume at the top and kind of tighter ringlets at the bottom. So what I really like about this tool is that you can actually set your temperature. And most heat styling tools are actually set to 400 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit by default because they're designed to basically bake through all the buildup that we have in our hair. So they know that most products that are out there contain silicones and waxes and stuff like that create that impenetrable barrier on your hair. So to be able to get, you know, the lasting curls, lasting styles, you need to bake through that. Since I'm using Monat products, my hair does not have any buildup on it. So I do not need to set my temperature so high. I normally keep my styling tools set to 290 degrees Fahrenheit, which is like more than enough for me. And obviously do not forget to use a heat protectant before you're going to style your hair. So my favorite one is the Thermal Protect Styling Shield. This little miracle in a bottle basically protects your hair for temperature set to up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. But like I said, if you're using Monat, you don't need to set your heat styling tools to so high. This heat protectant is not going to cause any buildup, so I already applied it on my wet hair, and I just let my hair air dry because that's what I always do. So now let's just brush out my hair and let's start styling. So what you want to do, you always want to curl away from your face. far, it's very simple to do. I really like the shape of the curls that I'm getting. Okay, so here is the finished look right after curling. I have not brushed my curls out yet, but I really like this look. Actually, it's gonna give me a chance to do something different with my curls. I'm super excited to try out the rest of the attachments. I really like this one. Now I'm just going to spray it a little bit with the Strong Flexi Hold hairspray. And then what I normally do, I brush my curls out a little bit right after curling. And then I always use the Tussle Texturizing Mist. It's a perfect product for separating those curls, giving that, you know, texture, and yeah, it just gives a little bit more definition to your curls. Every single time, I always finish my curls off with a little bit of rejuvenating oil, because I did just use heat on my hair, right? So might as well put a little bit more hydration and nourishment back into my hair. So, and it just makes sure that your hair is super shiny and super pretty. So what do you guys think of the finished look? I'm really excited about this tool. A few things, like my first impressions, what I really like about this tool. First, temperature control. Like, temperature control is everything, especially if you are using Monat products, you guys. All my Monat girls turn the heat styling tools down, and this tool is perfect because it's going to help you do just that. You don't need it set to 450 degrees Fahrenheit because you're going to burn your hair. I really love the tourmaline. It basically produces the infrared heat that spreads heat more evenly, and it's supposed to combat frizz. It's supposed to be less dry and less damaging for your hair as well. So I really like that about this tool. And also what I want to say, it's very nicely made. It's definitely not a cheap hairstyling tool by any means. It's definitely like more of it on a higher end. And I really love the versatility of it. I really love the fact that you get basically 8 styling tools in one. I love how compact it is. Like, literally that tiny little case you can take anywhere with you. I love that it comes with the heat protectant glove. I think it's a great investment if you're just buying your first curling wand, or you just want a little bit more versatility, a little bit more bang for your buck. I guess this is the best way to go because you're getting 8 styling tools in one, and it's just fun to play with all of them. So first impressions, I am really happy with this set. I'm extremely happy with the quality and how my curls turned out. So stay tuned for more videos, and thanks so much for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me. I always leave my email in the description box. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. So thanks so much for watching this video, and I'll talk to you later. Bye guys.